morning to all respected dignitaries and my brothers and sisters. I myself, Haibok Mayum Ariana from Sangayum Phom, and I am currently 6th grade student. I am studying at Open Mind Academy, a residential school. Today I will present a poem. The title of my poem is 13 August, written by our respected Sir Ayub. Now let me start my poem 13 August. Anglo Manipur War 1981 ning sing la ina hona ngasi August 12 na lakpasida may kay ahumdagi yek na langoy chalakhi Manipuri athauba nong sa sulaw khong lakhi nong may guligi marakta mong fam oy khidra khandu na mikap miraw khon nanin khilamdam se mayam singgi marakta sibagi dabakayana thoklakhi khutta thangsang paiduna kadai law male sifai tumna hatlage matagum yum thong dagi chen thorak e lan ngak na ba yaw na ba kadai dano taklam dana pakhattu na mamom loy masa singitung inna kaura duna hai kadai dano chili dubo lauraki adubu upai dilai khide khamlu bagi thauna suhan ki imalai bag nung sibana hen man khiduna pele ima pele hairaduna lambida lagna mitlu pirang na oy rakhi mitlu pirang khangdana isana satliba lan fam adu lan ngam firan paiduna halak pangairam ge ko namase ngairam ge ko namase. Thank you so much for listening my poem deeply. Once again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.